What more shall I say, America? Muncheez with Markie. Well, damn, Pete.
Started at the back instead.
Now we walking. More. There's hella people here, though. Hella people here, though. The disorganization is a huge one. Have y'all lost y'all mind? Have y'all lost y'all mind? Bro, what is the point of buying tickets online if we still gotta come in line and wait? Where do they do that at? Bro, she just moved us to a completely different line. She said it's quicker. We shall see. Because now my fat ass is in the sun.
If I keep it, then you have to keep.
That's an issue, my brother. That's an issue, my brother. Yeah, we in the sun now. She done lost her mind. We definitely. Oh, not the first person who think it. She done lost her mind.
Where it goes down and cuts around.
Longer line. I'm in the sun. What more shall I say, America? Muncheez with Markie. Well, America, here it is approaching 2:15. We in the home stretch now.
He's just laying
30-minute wait. Have they lost their mind?
all these boxes that I brought from
Oh, and then they telling people to stay in line.
in a room because he was
Yeah.
quite heavy and making bids on houses and everything. And
Right.
he's put it on hold. And I've
Then America has ruined that due to COVID.
for him.
If I pre-order a ticket, I should just be able to cut. Ain't no line. But I digress. We finna clock in. My phone finna die. I still got my ticket number though, so we gonna see. Ooh. In that bitch. In this motherfucker. Finally. It's like 2:18 in America. Yo, finally got my fat ass out here. Muncheez with Markie, we out here finally. See what the fuck they got to eat in this bitch. See what they got. I'm perplexed. My fat ass don't know what I want, but I know I'm gonna get something. I'm perplexed, America. Muncheez with Markie, it's time to fulfill the obligation to y'all. I'm high, so I got the munchies. Let's eat. Damn, America, this bitch is thick. Thick, America. I don't know what to get first. I don't know what to get first, America. This thick here, bucko. Super thick. Taco Fest Foods. What they in line for? Oh, they in line for some beer. Oh, hell. Hell no. They trying to drink here? They in line for some beer. Hell no, Pete. Hell no, Pete. Not for some beer. I could never. Chef Bruce Lee Chinese tacos. I usually hit all these motherfuckers up normally in Evansville. Divas. Go over and support Divas. Go over and support some black-owned business. Get some shit crack-a-lacking. See what they talking about. Show up, show out. Over here, Divas. You know what's up. You know what's up. Back to me, Divas. Yes, sir. Time to get it in. Oh, oh, oh.
If not, we may have pizza here.
Hold on. I think you got something there too.
Hey, Markie! She's taking a picture.
You taking a picture or you video? Oh, okay.
Well, God dang, she's nice.
What you got going on, Markie?
I need some of that. What she got?
Oh, Lady J's lemonade, 1 for $3.50 or 2 for $6. All right.
Let me get that one.
All right,
Just
$3.50
one.
player.
Just one for Rick James today. Yeah. Support Bob's black-owned businesses.
Right. Divas cooking.
Like usual, bucko. Yeah, I want a peach though. I want a peach. Yeah, I'll wait for a peach.
Not that I don't see anything.
Yeah. Yeah, boy, you good, man?
It's the last
Good?
one, Markie.
Ooh, last one, Markie is what they call me. Ooh. Let's see what they got to offer us, America. Pedro's Tacos. Damn, America. Got the Lady J's in my hand. You know what's up. Ooh. Ooh. Nice and sweet. Not too sugary. Got that real fruity punch to it like I like. Ooh. With this Pedro's to go along with it. It look like that spot. Okay, Bosse, man. Yeah, we over here at Pedro's Tacos. You know what time it is.
All right. Anything else?
That's it.
All right. That'll be $6, sir.
Ooh. Flat.
We'll get that out for you, all right?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Uh-oh, there he is with it. Appreciate you,
sir.
bro.
And what kind of meal?
Serving. Serve the kid. Ooh. Ooh. 2 for $6 on the street tacos. Ooh, with the sauce. Cilantro, no onions. Yes, Sirski. Throw the lime across there. Gotta get limed up. It wasn't a little heavy with the cilantro, but no onions, so I feel them. Yes, Sirski. What we got going, bucko? What we got going, buddy? Big snack. Sirski. America. Lunching with Markie. Yum, 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 yum. America, on the Muncheez with Markie radar, we're gonna give Pedro's Taco a 7. Flame, fast service. Yes, Sirski. Muncheez with Markie, you know what time it is. Well, America, guess what? I did a little bit of walking, not too far from Pedro's Taco. Still down here, it's a full thing. Evansville Food Truck Festival, year 4. I'm 4 for 4. 4 for 4, and I'm not Wendy's on this, you feel me? Good tasting stuff. Once again, at Lady J's, play with something safe, man. Cause that is dangerously good. Don't take that, I'm gonna keep that. My dog over here selling pulled pork though. I'm damn near gonna have to hit his ass up. I don't think they know how fat I am. Plus, you know, I'm a repeat customer when it comes to good food. Yes, sir. And they got some nice special sauce. Muncheez with Markie.
Can I get y'all?
Just a sec, I get it.
All right. What you need, bud?
Oh man, let me go ahead and get the sampler.
Sampler? What kind of sauce you want on it?
The hot one.
The hot one? That's fine.
Well, damn, America. This is it. See how I'm finna pay? See how I'm finna pay? Cash. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bars mini sauce. I know what time it is. Yeah. We had I only spent like if I spend this, plus what I had, I only spent $30 so far. I got like $17 left. I got a $3 sampler. Yeah, $3 sampler. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Special sauces out. Yeah. Appreciate you right there. Thank you so much.
All right. And if we're the best, come back and vote for us.
All right, thank you. Hands, my Jesus piece. Chicken shop, get a 2-piece. Greasy hands, grip the cash, ho. Hot sauce in the bag, bro. 2 swishes, same flavor. We good, growing cookies. All vets, no rookies. Niggas J's must have played hooky. Circle of success, gotta keep rolling. Young niggas squirt, so stay in line. I'm ready to eat, bucko. Yes, sir, Ski. Yes, sir. Muncheez with Markie. We're gonna get a what was it? The barbecue barn. We're gonna go ahead and give it a whole 6. I ain't like all the juice at the end of it. I think I might be in this line for a long time. The food look good though. I got this Mexican corn on display. That shit look weak as hell. Don't look like nothing I ever seen in California. What in the hell is this, bucko? But we're gonna let them have it. All right. It's Evansville, Indiana, food truck festival. Year 4. Damn, America. We still waiting in the line. It's a Bob, so I'm gonna wait. It's called, what's it called? Jay's Good Something. Famous Jay's? We finna figure it out. I'm in line though. Y'all hear that? Live karaoke. Y'all, they done lost their damn mind. They sound horrible. Y'all hear that shit? They sound horrible. Oh man. Just let the music play. Come on now. I don't know why it ain't a radio station out here anyway. Where the hell is 106.1?
Yo, we had a food park, bro. Let's get it.
Also, I'm starting to sweat. See that perspiration right there? A little sweat. Also, I've been moving in the line. Whole time I've been moving, wherever I go, move with it. I don't see how that work out. That's one of those. But also, here we go again, part 38. Part 38, bucko. We're still in the same line we was in the first time, so we're in that. Jay's Good Grub, LLC, that's what it is, Jay's Good Grub. I'm fat. Let's see. I've been waiting too long. I'm fat. They need to hurry up. Are we trying to get closer to the line now? Yes, sir. We about there. 3 people from the front of the window. I don't know how long we've been here, but we've been here long enough. I'll tell you that much. Waiting in the damn line at Jay's Good Grub, LLC. It's a hit in Owensboro, Kentucky, so it's a vibe. We're gonna shop with them and fucks with them, see how it's going. Traditional wings with the mango habanero. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
How you doing? What's going on, man? Let me get the traditional wings and mango habanero.
Okay, mango habanero. Anything else?
That's it, bro.
All right, $8. That's it. That's 6 traditional mango.
Yeah. Sir, appreciate you.
Have a good one.
Sir. Okay, sauce the kid up. Sauce the kid up. Yes, sir. Sauce the kid up. Yes, sir. Get us some good wings. Do the things right. It's super sweet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. We on that Evansville Food Truck Festival. Year 4, take 4. JRF, boy, hold on. Oh,
Finally, I got somebody.
The city should be ashamed, man. They say, yeah, I don't know you. That's all I watch. I say, oh, my boy doing it again. Each one getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah, 3X. 2 t-shirts for my guy.
Uh-oh. Y'all see it here?
My guy.
Hey, my wife with Markie, JRL Local. Yeah.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Have a good one.
Up, man. I mean, bro, was that not crazy? JRL Local t-shirts on us? Got the JRL Local. He knows what time it is with Markie. Big shout out. I need to get out here more. Food. Going to get more food. I need to get back in line. I'm about to see if they got some more mango drinks. I know they do. Uh-oh. Yeah. Muncheez with Markie, we back out here. Y'all know where we at. I come to get something else to drink. Ooh, my boy. Yeah, my boy. Yes, sirski. Back out here with it. I got the JRL Local t-shirts on. Shout out to my dogs. JRL Local. Yeah, my boy here in Evansville. Evansville's finest, JRL Local. Yeah. Whole bunch of that. Throw these on the back of the neck. He gave me 2 of them 3X boys for the big guys out there. Yes, sir. Mess with JRL Local, man. Y'all know what time it is. We're here on Muncheez with Markie. Let's eat. Hold on. I don't want to get nothing on that. On my white tee. Put that down there by the feet. Got the one napkin. Ooh. How it look? America? How it look? Ooh. That habanero hot. Good habanero mango sauce. Okay. Yes, sir. Jay's good grub. Y'all better holler at that, man. Straight out of Owensboro. We do this. We everywhere with it. I got the buffalo wings. I got the 6. And I got the mango habanero. Flame-O, once again, Bob Shop. You know how I feel about them Bobs. Gotta get some of them Bobs. Not big on fried food, but I like the sauce. Chicken's cooked good too. Yeah, don't worry about me. Player. This is how I do it. I'm gonna give Buddy a solid 8. I'm gonna give him a 9. The only reason I had to wait. It was a long wait time, but I didn't know he was frying food. That's why I waited so long. Yeah. Oh, it's hot though. Somebody's little kid is screaming in the back. Get her. Who let that kid scream? Why is your kid screaming? They should be having fun, right? Nice saucy wings too. Nice and wet. Not none of that plate stuff. Nice and wet sauce. Sitting on the grass again. How uncivilized. Phone on 0. Oh boy.
I got so much pastries the other day and he was flying.
I don't like flaps. I'm more of a drum type guy. This ain't it. It is flame though. Well, we're gonna get out of here, America. We're gonna blow this joint. Yes, Sirski. Evansville 4th Annual Food Truck Festival. Nice.